Welcome to World Facts channel. If you are young, you should know some things that regret you later. 1. Why didn't I travel when I could? 2. Why didn't I learn a second language? 3. Why did I waste my time on the relationship that ended? 4. Why didn't I protect myself from the sun? 5. Why was sports not my priority? 6. Why I was afraid to do many things. 7. Why didn't I quit the job I didn't like? 8. Why didn't I believe I was beautiful? 9. Why was the opinion of others so important to me? 10. Why I didn't spend enough time with the people I loved.